Hello and welcome to How to Play Crash. This card game is played with 4 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 13 cards, 1 card at a time. The object of the game is to make the 4 best possible brag hands out of the cards dealt. A brag hand consists of 3 cards. The hands are ranked with the best being a prail, which is 3 cards in the same rank. The best prail is 3 threes, then 3 aces, 3 kings, down to 3 twos. The next best hand is a running flush, 3 cards in sequence in the same suit. The best running flush is ace, 2, 3 in the same suit, then ace, king, queen. 4, 3, 2 is the lowest ranking running flush. Next comes a run, 3 cards in sequence. The suits do not matter. Ace 2, 3 is the best run, then ace, king, queen, and so on down to 4, 3, 2. Next, a flush, 3 cards in the same suit. If players tie with a flush, they will compare card ranks, ace being the highest, then kings, down to the twos being the lowest. The final hand is a pair, 2 cards in the same rank. If players tie with a pair, they will compare card ranks. First the rank of the pair, if still a tie, then the rank of the third card. Each player will form 4 3-card brag hands and will discard their remaining card. The brag hands are placed face down in front of the players. The players' hands are placed best to worst from left to right. When every player is ready, the leftmost hands are revealed. The player with the best hand is awarded 1 point. Here, Pam scores the first point with the best ranking hand of a prail in jacks. The next 3-card hand is revealed by each player. The player with the best hand is awarded 1 point. Here, Dwight scores the point with the best running flush. This is continued for the 3rd and 4th hand. If a player wins all 4 hands in a round, it is known as a crash. A player receives an additional point for a crash. The first player to an agreed upon amount, such as 11 points, wins the game. If 2 players tie for the best hand, no player scores a point for that hand. If a player cannot or is unwilling to make 4 complete brag hands, the player is forced to discard additional cards. If a player makes fewer than 4 hands, the hands that they do make must always compete for the earliest points. That wraps up How to Play Crash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.